Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, welcome. My name is Cynthia Jeanette, and I would just like to say thank you so much for all your support and for subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate you. So for today's video, I'll be doing my first ever official haul, makeup haul, and I bought like $91 worth of products at Walmart, and I will be sharing all the products that I bought, and I am gonna swatch a few of them, not all of them. So I just want to go ahead and get started with the video. So the first pretty cool thing I thought was the Precision Beauty Cosmetics has a silicone makeup blender. It looks like this. Soft, flexible material, won't absorb makeup. Like you can tell, I already have makeup on, so I'm not going to remove it for this video. I'm not going to be using it, but if you're curious to see how this applies the makeup, and to see if it actually doesn't absorb the makeup or the foundation, then just leave a comment down below and to see if you want me to use this and review of it. So if you want a review of this product, go ahead and comment down below. I also bought a new foundation. This is by Flower Cosmetics. The one that created the Flower Cosmetics is Drew Barrymore. She's an actress. She was in E.T. the Extraterrestrial. She was a little girl on that movie. Now she's all grown up, and she has her own cosmetic line at Ulta and the drugstores, including Walmart as well. And it's called Flower Beauty. As you can see, you can tell, it has a flower right here, and here's a cute little has a cute little cap with the word flower written on it. And excuse my little fingernails, I forgot to do them. And this is all day wear and buildable broad spectrum SPF 18 sunscreen. This is in soft sand M2. So if you would like for me to review it as well, I can do like a whole I can make a new video. If you want me to, I can do another video me using all these products as first impressions video. So if you would like that, please comment down below if you would like to see that video. And I also bought new lashes. I usually buy my lashes from Ardell, but I just tried these. There's different brands. This is by Bring the Salon Home Kiss. This is by Kiss Cosmetics. This is tapered and technology, lightweight and comfortable. And natural. It looks so natural. This is Shy Kiss. And they look like this. Here's the back of it. Oops. Here are the instructions. I also bought a new concealer. This is by Maybelline New York Instant Age Rewind Erase Dark Circles Concealer. This is in light 120. I'm really excited for this. I heard a lot of good things about it, but finally I bought it, and I decided to try this bad boy out. So I've never tried any of these products before, so I'm really excited to try them out. Oh, this is so cute. This is by COVERGIRL Cosmetics. This is called, it's an eyeshadow palette, and this is the palette of the name of the palette. It's called Peach Punch. This is new, and it smells like peaches. It says right here. It's the back of it. It shows you different ways to apply the eyeshadow, and of course you have this little tape right here that you can remove. I'm just gonna swatch this for you guys. I'm trying to get this tape off the way. By the way, do you like the background? It's so cool, right? It's like a little digital fireplace. Like this video if you like my fireplace. Okay, finally almost getting the thing out. Oh, here's another tape. The struggle is real. Yes, I'm gonna use this. Don't try this at home, kids. Very hard to get out the packaging. It's very, very cute packaging, I admit, but it's very hard to take off or remove. Oh, of course, here's another little tape. It comes with a little, this eyeshadow palette comes with a applicator. So finally I'm able to remove all the tape. And I do have, this is COVERGIRL Cosmetics. This is the Peach Punch palette. I do have another palette that's the same but different genre of colors. Very matte formula, and it has also shimmers. So I'm going to apply these 3 shimmers right here. You see this wine shade, this plum looking one, and this gold shimmer, and I'm going to apply them on the back of my hand. Just give you a swatch. There was like a wine shade, but it's really more of a rose gold shade. This first one, this is a plum shimmer one, and this is more of a bronzy look, or bronzy shade. And here is the pink one. Pink, same one. Swatch this one last. Here's how the brown shade is swatching. I'm not very excited about that, but it's coming out a bit patchy. Here's some patchy areas, but I think I can work with it. So if you, like I said, if you want me to do like first impressions or a review of this palette, just comment down below or like this video. And now I have the COVERGIRL, also by COVERGIRL, same as the peach. COVERGIRL has, I guess, like a peach line, and this is the Peach Punch highlighter palette. And I think this is a highlighter and then blush and little bronzer. And I'm just gonna swatch the highlighter just to show you guys how it swatches. And I'm just gonna go like so. Ooh, mama likes. Actually, I'm very excited for this highlighter and this palette overall. I love how this is such a soft brown, soft peach blush, and the highlighter, it's very subtle and natural, and so I'm excited to wear that. And last, oh not last, but next up I have another by Flower Cosmetics. This is called Seal the Deal Long Lasting Setting Spray in Matte Finish, and I'm just gonna spray this on my face. It does have a scent to it. Locks in makeup instantly, keeps makeup fresh, mattifying effect, lightweight mist. I really do love the mist. It does feel very lightweight. And it smells very good. Oh my god. Alright, I already sprayed the setting spray, and it has a very light mist. Light mist to it, and light spray. I really like it. Plus, I love the packaging. I love this little bottle, and the color of the packaging is white. This soft light purple. So I really like the packaging, and overall I like it. I think it's mattifying my makeup. I don't know. I did buy a face primer. This is by e.l.f. Poreless face primer in clear, and what it does is going to minimize the look of your pores, and I use this to prep my makeup or prep my face before applying my foundation. It has the directions on the back. Before you apply, just read the directions on the back. And as well, I just like the packaging. I love the e.l.f. Cosmetics packaging overall, and I have used this in the past, and I just have good things to say about it. And lastly, I bought these 2 lipsticks. This is by also Flower Cosmetics. This very cute packaging as well, and it has flowers on it. It has the word flower on it as well. And I am gonna swatch this. Why not? I'm really excited about this color. I was looking for a fall burgundy-ish color. So cute. Look at it. Look at it. Let me just swatch this one right here. This is Miracle Matte Lip, and it's a Merlot Kiss. I think it might be non-transferable. I'm not sure. I'll keep you guys updated about this, if it's not transferable or not. And lastly, this is by Maybelline New York Superstay Matte Ink Lipstick. This is in 135 Globe Trotter. And I'm just gonna take the tap off. This is just, look at this, is the applicator on it. Just have a scent to it, but it's very soft. Like you wanna kinda like lick it, I don't know. Like gingerbread, I don't know. But this is it. This screams fall to me. This is amazing. I love this color and I'm excited to wear it for my future video. And that is it, you guys. That's all the makeup that I bought. So that is it for my first official makeup haul, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more videos from me, and comment down below if you want to see like first impressions video or review, or you know, if you want to see me use the palette or for a new or for another fall makeup look. Just comment down below, like this video, and I'll see you guys next time with another video.